Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sagram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video we will see if you have Tesla car. So this video and this website is very important for you. If you build your own Tesla, like a designing such kind of gadgets, so many products are available on this website. Which website? That website name is Tesery, and this Tesery platform are providing you so many products is affordable prices. So now we will see all information related on this website, how many products are available and those products are really worth it to purchase or not. We will see detailed demonstration first of all website, and then after we do the unboxing of two products recently I am purchasing. So we will see detailed demonstration. So now let's start the website. You just simply visit on video description, and the link is available on video description tesery.com, and use my referral Research Rocks and enter. I already add this link in video description, and boom, build your Tesla in one stop. If you visit here, so you can purchase here from multiple products and build your Tesla as you thinking. And outstanding products they are selling, and really worth it to purchase this one because of quality is really amazing and nice quality. Which product you want purchase here, several products are available like accessories, interior, wheels and digital accessories. Which one you purchase you decide, and then accordingly you can purchase from here like a 10% off. And if you use my referral link, so definitely you receive 5% off like a screen, some other products, and those product is really affordable. Like this product comes from 95 Danish krona, one piece just only $13, means 100 Danish krona, and two piece 22. It's not expensive, this is affordable, and so many products are available here. If you have Tesla, so definitely you visit here, and my personal experience, you should purchase from here your Tesla related product. So this is a simple information related on Tesla website. Now I will provide you. I'm purchasing two products. First one is this one is a mat, the charging mat. My car interior is white, so that point of view I'm purchasing this one from this website, the white interior, so I can put it here mobile and very easily charge as well. I will show you demo in my car also, and that one is very helpful for me as a my personal point of view. I need such kind of magnet so I can put it my mobile and search very easily any of the information or call very easily. So we will see detailed demonstration, unboxing, as well as how I fit and what is the advantage. This one is a magnetic phone holder, no matter which types of phone you have. So now I just simply open here the unboxing of this product. Box is empty. So first of all, this is a C port cable, charging cable, or cable we require. If you want continuously charge also your iPhone, so this one is very helpful because of you can very easily like this. I will show you the demo. You can very easily put it here, and after that there is iPhone, the 100% magnet. I am not touch this iPhone, and even the iPhone charging is starting. So this is the beauty of this product. That one is really amazing. Look at this here, 1% charging and continuously charging is going on. So that is a really interesting product. But that point of view you need to connect here C type charging cable. So they are providing here A to C cable, and if you want fix, so you just simply remove this one like this and put it in your car. So I will tell you how to fix this one in your Tesla car. And inside the car they are providing different kind of sticker also, so you can use as a two different location as well this one. So first of all you need to fix here properly. This is a magnet, or you need to add this one first of all in your mobile backside panel, and after that you can very easily connect here. So this magnet is really helpful for you. First of all you need to fix here in your phone like this. remove the sticker and you put it here in your phone. Then after you can very easily connect here like this. That one is really interesting. Strong magnet, and here they are providing you can calculate entire thickness of your screen and put it here proper location. So here you can see here, so the both you can fix in different location in your Tesla screen backside, and after that you just simply remove this portion from like this one place to another place using this one. So now we will see how to fix this one in my Tesla car. Let's check it out. So this is my Tesla. I just simply open here the door. So look at this, this is my Tesla and I'm purchasing this one white interior. I just simply fix there this one. I want fix this one from my Tesla screen. We will see how to fix. So look at this guys, this one is perfectly fit, and after that you can put it your iPhone and charge using this one. Really interesting. If you purchase this one, the fitting and matching is perfectly fine for my white interior. So look at this guys, after that I am fixing this one very easily. So look at this, this is the best way to fix this one in your Tesla car, and you can very easily access the mobile also. You can call, you can active camera, and you can do whatever you want very easily during the car driving. So this is a simple unboxing as well as information related on Tesery product. You can use this platform and build your own dream car. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.